Yeah, guys, we did see opening bells in 30 seconds. We did see price run a good amount last night over London session. So this is New York midnight to basically, you know, obviously the high of pre-open so far. 26 points, so that's a pretty good range. However, we did grab some, or is this, I think it was on the daily chart. I saw this, yeah. So we did grab, we're starting to peek into these highs here. So because we're starting to creep into these buy side levels of liquidity, I thought it was worth us not pushing the session back, because I was originally going to push the session back a little bit this morning, probably like 15 to 20 minutes. But just because we did sweep that buy side, and because we did get a little bit of displacement happening here on the 1 minute, if my chart will load, we did get a little bit of displacement happening here on the 1 minute after the sweeps of liquidity. So we had this initial punch through that buy side, price broke down, leaving behind this gap. You know, that could have been an entry had, you know, somebody been paying attention and watching price. Price came back up into that, closed it fully, sold off, another fair value gap right here. So, you know, what I'm semi-anticipating is that we could get a push up into this fair value gap here on the 1 minute. Since we already took that buy side liquidity. Oh, geez. And then we can look to possibly take an entry off of that. But obviously price has been mega bullish. Mega bullish since London session. So we actually were to draw this up. So I just wanted to temper your guys' expectations and just let you know that we could be sitting here a little bit if price is, you know, really choppy and rangy. And that's totally fine. I woke up this morning, looked at the chart, and I was kind of anticipating not getting into a trade until like 30 minutes maybe into market open, truthfully. But maybe not. We might get a trade earlier. So this would make some sense here on the, you know, as far as if we wanted to get bullish and continue this to the upside. Let me see here. So this is equilibrium of this range from midnight to the high of pre-open, which is also in confluence with these highs. So this would act as a breaker for us. So what we can do, let's get on that 1 minute, is if we get price to push down into these equilibrium, maybe even swipe these lows, then we can look to play a setup as normal if we're going to get a setup before, you know, 9 a.m. Central. And if we do get into a scenario where we are waiting till 9 a.m. Central, one, that's fine. But we actually have a couple Forex trades that we might have an opportunity to enter. But in other news, I don't know if anybody on here, I know we have a few people in the Discord that trade futures. I actually shout out to Tyler Jacobs if he's on here, but he convinced me to start a TopStep 100K combine. So got that going last night. Haven't traded on it yet, obviously, but planned on doing both. So trading still on MetaTrader, but also I'm gonna document this this combine with TopStep. So looking to get into a trade on this today, hopefully, and I can trade it right on TradingView for you guys, so that'd be dope. Yay, Tyler Jacobs. Bree, what are you doing on here? This guy's only. But this is good. Swept some more liquidity. Getting deeper into this discounted price range. I'm going to mark it for now. I'm not trying to jinx it. If we get this close and we don't push deeper into here, we're going to take this trade. Let me set this up. Oy, 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 oy. 5 handle stop. 5 handle stop. 5 handle TP1, guys. 20 ticks. Fuck. No fair value gap. Oh. Bitch. Oh. Oh. Oh, come on. Don't fuck. Bro. Alright, close this quick while you're at it. Oh. Yeah. I'm only taking Euro USD, guys, if we get the entry during the next 30 minutes. I'm not entering after that. Holy shnikes. Don't mess with my SPX trade, bro. We've been waiting too long to miss this shit. Oh, yeah. Okay. I am not missing SPX. I'm just going to send alert. I'm going to go market execute if I can when the time comes. Okay. Okay. Okay, good. Your USD was about to... If that's the strategy you're trading, knowing that, you know, you were probably in bullish bias because of the 1 hour time frame pre-open, that you're like, no, actually, I knew I was only waiting for sells today. Silly. I doubt it. Oh, maybe though. Who knows? This could be the one. I'm gonna do one tick into the fair value gap, assuming this is the one. You know what I'm saying?
Like something happened.
But yeah, that's crazy though. NASDAQ. I mean, so far. Please. Please. Like, you know what I mean? Fuck. Please leave this open. Please leave this open. For the love. I'm gonna set this quick to 20, just so people see where TP1 is. Please leave this open, bro. I'm fucking telling you. But just get ready, guys, because... Bro, are you serious? You've got to be joking. There's a little one still left. Nope, not anymore. That's wild, bro. Oh, okay. If we don't get a 1 minute fair value gap, guys, we're going to target this right here. Holy shit. 2 minute fair value gap. This might change though, okay? We might get a better, we might get a different entry. Oh shoot. Yeah, if we pull back into this. Oh shoot, wrong. No fair value gap still on the 1 minute here, so we're not changing anything. Get ready here. Trade. Create new order. Oh, I can change this though, I think, once I do it. Alright, we come down to that fair value gap. I'm entering inside that fair value gap. Five-point stop. 5-point TP1. I'm watching on the 1 minute just in case we do get a different fair value gap. Come on, give it to us. Macro coming in 3 minutes. It has to be great. Give us the entry. Give us the entry and go take liquidity. There we go. I'm in. Where's my stop loss, bro? Yo, what? If you guys couldn't tell, I'm a little bit new to futures. Can I modify this? Bro. Yo, does anybody know anything about futures? Can help me? I mean, what the fuck? It's not like paper trading at all. Close, reverse, create new order. No. Well, I know I can do this. I can sell one at TP1. But yeah, you're supposed to be able to, when you paper trade on TradingView, you can literally just drag your stop loss, bro. Oh shit, I'm still in. If we go down there again, I'll close it. It didn't stop me out on MetaTrader. We just opened the macro though, so that's what that jump was. Don't tell anyone I said that. Get going. You know what I'm saying? No one wants to see you around this town. Get you a whab burger and some French fries. This could be a potential fair value gap left open. We'll see, we'll see, we'll see. That's actually going to be the first 1 minute fair value gap that we literally were waiting for. But then we found one on the 2 minute. Right there, that's our entry. Five-point TP1. Oh my god, bro. Come on, let's get it going. Alright, I'll feel pretty good, guys, if we can start closing above these highs. Right here, this is going to be an area of interest, I feel like. But yeah, if we can hold above here, that'll be good. But right now, we are not out of the dark yet. But yeah, definitely not ideal. Even if this is a winning trade, it just feels kind of icky to me, to be honest with you. Just because of how it's played out. And there's no way to, like... We didn't do anything wrong. But sheesh, weird morning. It's interesting, yeah. No news too, like we're ripping this much. London and yeah, wow, I don't know. Yeah, I won't lie though, this doesn't look good. But market's gonna do whatever it's gonna do anyway, so it doesn't matter what I think. Alright, if we hit this bottom of this stop loss, I'm gonna close this position here. Alright, boom, closed. And I didn't even get stopped out. I'm at a trade. I'm just gonna close it though. Alright, yeah, I closed. Took a loss. 0.75 minus 0.75 on MT5, and trading combine trade number 1 was a 0.5%, little less actually than 0.5% loss. Is what it is, man. And looking back at it, we went over this obviously as well. I really don't think anything would change. I don't see a world where we realistically caught sells. Maybe you caught this at this entry point here, but wasn't the case. It was not the case today. So my bad that we obviously took an L today, but we followed our rules and we managed our risk. So I'm happy about that. And now, remember, we're waiting for a 1 minute. I'm just looking here for where we would have seen a 1 minute. So maybe this is how it ends up playing out, and I'm just going to mark this up for you guys. Before I do that, let me go ahead and send this in the Discord, because I'm going to delete this stupid trade. Just kidding. Stopped. SL minus 0.5%. Alright, so this could be the only other trade. If we waited and waited and waited for the 1 minute, hindsight's 2020, would be right here. And we would have done a similar thing, right? We would have done 5-point stop, 5-point TP. And maybe that ends up being the deciding factor. But maybe not. 20 ticks. So right now we'd be safe if that were the case. TP1 would be up here, so just a little bit lower. But yeah, that'd be the only thing we would have done different, guys, would be just waiting for the 1 minute fair value gap to form and not jumping up to the 2 minute. But either way, you know, we took the setup and it just didn't work out.